South Africa, with its diverse landscapes and vibrant culture, offers ample opportunities for entrepreneurial ventures. One such exciting opportunity is starting a go-kart business. Providing adrenaline-fueled entertainment for both locals and tourists, a go-kart business can be a lucrative venture if executed strategically. In this guide, we'll delve into the essential steps to kickstart your go-kart business in South Africa, including pricing strategies, initial investment costs, and potential monthly earnings. Market research. Before diving into the business, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research to understand the demand and competition in your target area. Identify potential locations with high foot traffic, such as tourist attractions, shopping malls, or entertainment complexes. Additionally, assess the demographics of your target audience, including age groups and income levels, to tailor your offerings accordingly. Licensing and permits. Operating a go-kart business requires obtaining the necessary licenses and permits from local authorities. These may include business permits, health and safety certifications, and permissions for land use. Ensure compliance with all regulatory requirements to avoid any legal issues down the line. Investment costs. The initial investment for starting a go-kart business in South Africa can vary depending on factors such as location, the number of karts, and facility setup. On average, expect to allocate funds for go-karts. The most significant investment will be purchasing go-karts. High-quality electric karts typically cost between 30,000 to 80,000 rand each, depending on the brand and specifications. Track setup. Designing and constructing a go-kart track involves expenses for land acquisition, track construction, safety barriers, and landscaping. Budget for these costs based on the size and complexity of your track layout. Safety equipment. Ensure the safety of your customers with helmets, racing suits, and other protective gear. Allocate funds for purchasing or renting these items. Facility infrastructure. Invest in amenities such as a reception area, briefing rooms, and spectator seating to enhance the overall customer experience. Pricing strategy. Determining the right pricing strategy is crucial for balancing profitability with affordability. Consider factors such as operating costs, competitor pricing, and perceived value when setting your rates. Here are some pricing options to consider. Ride. Charge customers a fixed fee for each go-kart ride, with discounts for multiple rides or group bookings. Time-based. Offer timed sessions where customers pay for a set duration of karting, such as 15 or 30 minutes. Membership packages. Introduce membership packages for frequent customers, providing discounts and exclusive perks. Potential earnings. While actual earnings can vary based on factors such as location and marketing efforts, a well-managed go-kart business in South Africa has the potential to generate substantial monthly revenue. Here's a hypothetical breakdown of potential earnings. Revenue per ride. Assuming an average ride price of R100 and an average of 100 rides per day, your daily revenue would amount to R10,000. Additional revenue streams. Explore opportunities to boost revenue through ancillary services such as merchandise sales, event hosting, and concessions. Monthly profit. After deducting operating expenses such as track maintenance, utilities, and staff wages, your monthly profit could range from R50,000 to R100,000 or more, depending on business efficiency and customer demand. Conclusion. Launching a go-kart business in South Africa presents an exciting opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to tap into the thrill-seeking market. By conducting thorough market research, securing the necessary permits, and implementing a strategic pricing strategy, you can establish a successful venture that delights customers and drives profitability. With dedication and innovation, your go-kart business can become a prominent player in South Africa's entertainment industry, offering unforgettable experiences for years to come.